Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you how we can use sum function in Microsoft Excel. For example, I want to sum all these data just from here, insert equal sign, then write sum. Select this one, then select the data you want to sum. I want to sum these data, just insert enter. That's the sum for this data. If you want to do the same for these cells also, just click this one and bring the cursor to right lower corner. When you see the plus sign, change it to the black symbol, click it and drag it to here. Okay, also this one, directly apply the sum formula for these columns also. For this row, you can do the same. Just from here, insert equal sign, sum, select this one, determine the data you want to sum. I want to sum these data, just insert enter. Then click this one and bring the cursor to here. When you see it, change it to black plus, click it and drag it to down. That's all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.